So if you come at this part of Palolem beach, it's a bit rocky and kind of different view here. Rocks everywhere, and you can see the beautiful sunset from here. Ooh, shit, man. Here you cannot walk barefoot because sand is very hot. So this is Agonda beach, which is around 10 kilometers from Palolem beach. So just now we reached here. And look at the beach. Almost no one is there. What you can hear is just the wave sound. And it's a different kind of beach. If you go to Palolem beach, there would be a lot of crowd, and this beach is just 10 kilometers from Palolem. So we came here by a scooty. So if you are looking for solitude, if you are looking for a private beach of yours, then this could be a nice place to come. But I feel that if you are staying in Palolem in South Goa for 3-4 days, then you can get bored just being at one beach. So in that case, you can just roam around and you can explore some other beaches, because every beach is different, every beach is unique, and you will have a completely different experience. There's no horn in this scooty, yaar. Oh, ये म्यूजिक चल रहा है?
नहीं, ज़्यादा लोग ऐसा पिकनिक आते हैं, सब लोग आते हैं ना पिक्चर।
Very different kind of beach. We have a small water body over here. Very crystal clear water. All right. So right now I'm in Kola beach, and very unique beach, very small shoreline. So I told you that every beach is different. It's a rocky beach, I feel. A lot of rocks. And there we have a small water body over there where people are taking bath. It's a very unique beach. As I told you that if you are staying in South Goa for 3-4 days, you will get bored. So what you can do, you just have to travel and explore some other places. All right. So right now we are going to Kabodi Rama Pebble Beach.
You just save it, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, just get up. Go down. Ben, get side. Tanya, Anisha, get side. Anisha, get side.
All right, this is a very, I'll say this is one of the most beautiful beach in South Goa. If you are coming to South Goa, then you should visit this Pablo, the Kabodi Rama Pebble Beach. It's very beautiful. Look at the view. So right now we are at, this is a very beautiful, very unique and very different kind of beach. You have this cliff in front of you, and there are very less people over here. So like we actually came here that we'll see some fort, but I don't know where is fort, but we came at the beach. Turtle Beach. And there are a few do's and don'ts that you have to remember while coming on this beach. Don't put lights into my habitat. And this beach is very clean, very, very clean. Oh, that is nice. He's taking plastic away from beach. Or he's just playing, I don't know. Alright, so right now I am at Talpona Beach, which is 2 kilometers from Galgi Baga or Turtle Beach, and around 8 kilometers from Palolem Beach. Nice place. It's same like Turtle Beach only. I think they share the same beach line. And also I felt that there was one co-working space where a lot of people were working with their laptops. So this could be a nice place for your workation. And also what I feel that if you're not staying at the the main beach of that particular area, like if you try to find accommodation at Palolem Beach, it would be a bit costly. But if you come at these beaches, then probably you will find lot cheaper deals. So I'll say if you are planning to stay for a long time in South Goa, then instead of finding something called Palolem Beach, you try to find something on other nearby beaches, because there you will find cheaper deals. So my name is Rajdeep and I make these kind of travel videos, and if you're not subscribed till now, please subscribe So just now we have reached Rajbagh beach, and here we also have lot of huge golf courses. Look at this. This is the golf course. और सामने है ये बीच. Alright. I think like here we have this Lalit Hotel, and most of the people who are staying in that hotel, it feels like it is kind of their private beach. Like we have explored so many beaches since last 2 days. Now every beach feels the same.